Hello guys, welcome to CeoFix channel. If you want to watch more video like this, always stay subscribed. In this video I will try to show you how to freeze task manager values. Okay. Let's go begin quick tutorial. To view the tasks taking place in your computer, the task manager window is used. But how you can freeze task manager values? The Windows Task Manager is a powerful tool packed with useful information, from your system's overall resource usage to detailed statistics about each process. Using the Task Manager, you can view how much memory a program is using, stop a frozen program, and view available system resources. Watching the Task Manager is an easy way to understand how much strain is being put on the physical hardware, which can help to rule out local environmental conditions that may affect performance. But we can make this process easier by freezing the values. Freeze Task Manager values and check it. The Task Manager is opened by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC on the keyboard. And hold down the Control key. Control key freezes Task Manager values. If you want to see how applications are affecting your CPU, please click CPU column. It will sort by the percentage of CPU capability used, largest to smallest, by each process after the down arrow appeared. Also, if you want to see how applications are affecting your memory or disk, please click Memory or Disk column. Note that you can also use the F5 key to refresh the values too. But pressing the F5 key would refresh the values right away without waiting for the next cycle. Okay. That's all. Please subscribe CeoFix channel. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up and you can comment. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.